Hello, everybody. I'm going to get right to screen sharing so that you can follow along with me on this video. You are now watching Foreshadowing Week 6. You obviously clicked this because otherwise you wouldn't be seeing the video. And it's really important as we get close to the research paper and you're back from your Thanksgiving break to realize how soon this paper is due. It's due on December 1st. And notice that that's Thursday this week, and December 4th is Sunday, the end of the week. However, you can earn an extension all the way to December 12th. And I'm assuming that at least 9 out of 10 students will take that approach. It gives you the extra time to work on all of these assignments, which really should be finished before you submit the research paper to me. It doesn't make any sense to do these assignments after you've done the research paper. They're all designed to help you build the research paper, and you'll notice that I've made them due quite early in the week. So the week starts November 28th. This is due on the 29th. This is due on the 29th. If you feel pressured, you can take a little extra time to do these exercises as long as you know that you're going to earn the extension. As a matter of fact, if you scroll forward to week 7, okay, you will notice that there are actually some things in week 7. Reading a sample research paper, see that right there? By the way, if you are having trouble reading this, expand it to a full screen. There's an icon on the YouTube videos on the bottom right that allows you to click and see this full screen. So and there's all this information here that will also help you with the research paper between December 4 and 10. If you're going to turn in the research paper by December 1st, do all this material as well. It's the only way I can squeeze it in to an accelerated course like this and still give you all of the information. So let's review what I want you to do here to get ready for your research paper. There's a section where I want you to think about people who will counter argue you and how you can refute their counter arguments. There, oftentimes, if you are advancing a thesis, there's going to be a lot of people who disagree with you, and you want to be able to anticipate that. You could build an entire page or two of your research paper and generate enough material to reach that 6-page or 10-page goal that you have. A substantial research paper conclusion. I want you to write it even before you finish your research paper. I want you to submit your works cited page. Don't wait until the last minute and slam it together. That oftentimes is what drags the grade down of a final draft of a research paper. There's an exercise here. If you're having trouble coming up with 6 or more pages, it's a really good idea to do this. And again, since you have the extension for working with the Writing Center, the Writing Center folks are not there just to fix grammar and punctuation errors. They'll help you brainstorm additional ideas. It could be that you want to work with the Ask a Librarian folks to get additional evidence for your research paper. I always anticipate there'll be questions about the research paper. I've included them in the frequently asked questions section. Make sure you read that. Read this little message here before you submit the research paper. Please read this. And then let's see. Again, I have information about how to earn an extension. And then as we get into week 7, there's a discussion of a sample research paper. Really important to read one more sample research paper to see if yours fits in that model. So there's a lot of material here, but it's all there to help you succeed. And hopefully some of you got started on this before Thanksgiving break even started. I gave you plenty of warnings. Work ahead. Try to get this material done. Don't take the whole week off during Thanksgiving break because this is an accelerated course, and we are covering the same amount of material that you covered in a full 18-week course, all squashed into this course that takes half the amount of time. So it makes sense, doesn't it, to use part of your Thanksgiving break to work ahead to week 6 and 7, try to get this material finished as soon as possible so that you'll have all the parts you need to put your research paper together. Try to have fun with this. Don't stress out. Don't make it a chore. It's been proven over and over again through research that if you're enjoying the learning, you will learn more and the final results will be better. So if you're having any problems, any questions you want to ask, do not hesitate to send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer them as quickly as possible. And I will be working over Thanksgiving break, so I'll be happy to respond even during the break. Okay. Have fun with it.